Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So, if you are a landlord or homeowner, this one is for you. Today we have Viktoriya joining us, and she is a part of the business development department. She will be giving us some insights into how things operate at Deluxe Holiday Homes. Welcome, Viktoriya. It's so lovely to have you here with us today.
My pleasure.
So, to kickstart our conversation today, can you give us a little bit of insight into what your role is at Deluxe Holiday Homes?
Absolutely. As my main role and responsibility is basically to prepare the customized proposal for our clients based on their request and to guide along the process of converting the residential property into the holiday home business.
Okay, amazing. And then, can you tell us why owners should consider signing with Deluxe Holiday Homes? What is the differentiating factor?
First of all, I would like to highlight our experience, which is starting back from 2005 as the brokerage firm. And when the proper law went into the force in 2015 for short-term rental, this is where we established our company. And basically having all this huge experience in the hospitality and real estate is giving us this kind of knowledge and expert observation to customize the proposal as much as possible, best way to meet our clients' expectations. As well as, of course, our big team, which as of now, we are almost 300 employees in the company.
What are the advantages of going the short-term rental route in comparison to long-term rental?
Well, of course, absolutely. I'll highlight the first advantage, which is maximizing the profit, definitely, and as well as the flexibility of the contract, whereas owners are not committed with the tenancy agreement, so they can be more flexible with their options. Either they want to stay in the apartment or they just want to use it during the holidays or vacations, or they want to reinvest or do any other transactions with the apartment. And of course, the more comprehensive caring of the apartment, since the company always have the access to the unit. So starting from maintenance and finishing implementing all related payments on behalf of the owner.
My last question for you is, how do property owners keep track of their property progress?
In our case, we are providing very advanced system, so it's online owners portal, whereas basically our owners can supervise their property activity 24/7 and always in live mode. It's including the number of bookings we received, the amount of the bookings that was paid, all related utility bills history, maintenance history, basically all the points which shows to the owner what is actually happening in his property at the moment.
Okay, amazing. That's definitely a very good thing to have in modern day society. Transparency is the most important. So,
Absolutely, yes. That is why we are driving very careful attention to it, because among with all the sources and possibilities of the company,
yeah.
we need to be sure, as we are establishing long-term business partnership with our owners, that our landlords are on the same page with us.
Viktoriya, thank you so much for joining us today. It's definitely been a very informative session. And to you at home, please don't hesitate to contact us. We promise that you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.